सफ़र में गुजर जाते हैं जो मकाम वो फिर नहीं आते, हाँ फिर नहीं आते। जिंदगी के सफ़र में गुजर जाते हैं जो मकाम वो फिर नहीं आते, हाँ फिर नहीं आते। So hello everyone, I have reached at Haridwar railway station. From here I will catch my train for Delhi, and once I reach Delhi I have to catch the metro to Gurugram Dronacharya, and then I will go to my office. So this is a monthly routine that every 8 days in a month I have to work from office, and after completing 8 days I used to return to my place, and then for remaining 12 days I work from home. And as you know, I have reached at Haridwar station, so you can see the train display is there, and my train will be on time. Every time I saw that my train always on time, and now I have entered into the station. Now you can see devotees are wearing saffron color blanket and a shawl, you can say, not blanket, it's a shawl, and most of them are waiting for their trains. And Haridwar is very religious place, and adjoining districts and places are also famous for the tourism activities like Rishikesh, Dehradun, Mussoorie. So this is the connectivity to the other part of the state, Uttarakhand. So from here we can get the train to Dehradun, and bus availability is very good here. At any time we can get the bus to other places like Kumaon, Garhwal, Champawat, Srinagar. So to every place we can get the bus from here. So the weather here is very pleasant, very attractive weather, and I am going on platform number 4 because my train usually comes on platform number 4. So this is my monthly routine, and this is very challenging and exciting for me because I enjoy this thing. I never think like every month I have to go to office, and then again I have to come back to my home and work from office, then again to working from home. So you can see here some of the foreign tourists are also came here to visit this holy place, and I think most of them from either Japan or from China, so they are also enjoying here. So this is very good for us that people from abroad are visiting here and enjoying the beauty of India, right? So I think they came at this station means they are just waiting for that train, for the same train which I have booked the ticket, and maybe they will go to Delhi and explore other state also. Either they will catch the flight from Delhi to their home country, or they will go to other parts of India due to the connectivity of the flight. So connectivity of flight from Haridwar is not available. If you want to go any other place via air route, so you have to go to Dehradun, and from there you can get the plane. So you So guys, you can see that the train from Delhi to Dehradun is arriving at platform number 3, and that is Mussoorie Express. This is the train which used to come from Delhi. Mostly I used to book my ticket from there because after completing my office work in the night, I usually catch that train. So that's a very nice train. So in the morning, early morning, I reach Haridwar. Here you can see. So that's very. And one thing about Haridwar, I can tell that the weather is very good, and here you cannot find that much pollution, because this is also a populated city, because most of the people are from North India and Bihar and UP. But if you compare the level of pollution to Delhi, so this is very good, because if you went Delhi and you will find there so much pollution, you cannot even, it's not easy for anybody to inhale the air. So it's 5:54, so I have to wait till 6:18 a.m. The reason is that that's the timing of my train, and if I say something, so actually it's something dark. You can see other places are not visible here, adjoining places. Otherwise, nearby you can see the small hills where Mansa Devi temple is situated. And if you cross the river Ganga at Har Ki Pauri, then you can find Chilla, a beautiful place to explore. There are a lot of places here apart from the devotees places. Other places are also here which we can explore. It's very beautiful. Air is blowing, and you can see here in Haridwar the station is mostly vacant. Not mostly vacant, I'm sorry. In the morning it's vacant, but if you see other timing, it is fully occupied. But it is very clean and green city, and I love this city. It has given me so much, and in the morning it energizes everybody. You can see, wow, darkness everywhere, but in the darkness there is a light. A lot of light are there. So much positivity, so much energy flowing through this vibrant city and devotional city, Devbhoomi. So guys, in my next vlog I'll tell other things about Haridwar and other places where we can visit, right?